Okay, virtual students, I have a question for you. And of course, if you'd be in an interactive class, you'd be asked questions by your teacher all the time. Somebody tell me, and so much tell me, but think to yourself, how many muscles are in the human body? Because you know, the muscular system is such an important part of the human body that has to do with a lot of what we do. All of our movement and motion is based on the contraction and relaxation of the muscles. And of course, they don't just do that. They also have a lot to do with dissipating heat. You know, every time you do this, that you contract your muscles. And those of you that want to put me to the test, go do a bunch of lift weighting, you know, lift weights and this kind of thing, and do isometric, isotonic exercise, and you're going to notice that your muscles are going to warm up. And the reason that they're going to warm up is because they're producing heat, okay? And then you also have a mechanism in regards to the contraction that's called the actin-myosin mechanism complex. And what that is like, let's say that my left hand right here is the actin, my right hand is the myosin. As that goes, the actin slides over like that. As it slides over, it's going to contract and pull the muscle in, and so that's what allows you to do this, to contract your muscles. It's that mechanism there that's involved with you being able to do that. Also, you need to realize that muscles basically are made up of three groups, okay? The skeletal, the smooth, and the cardiac muscle. The skeletal, of course, is the part that you control. The smooth is the muscle that makes the lining of your organs. That's involuntary. That's controlled by the lower base of your brain. Skeletal muscle tissue is composed of muscles attached to bone. And of course, all your muscles that are up here in your deltoid area, your pectoral girdle, and in your abdomen, all these muscles here in your legs, your arms, those are skeletal muscle, okay? Your smooth muscle, again, is found in the walls of the viscera of your organs, and then the cardiac muscle is the tissue that makes up the walls of the heart, okay? One of the things that I want you to see here, especially in regards to the picture, notice the difference between the skeletal, the cardiac, and smooth muscle. Okay, the skeletal, you can see the striations clearly. The cardiac has more intercalated disc, and of course you got nuclei, whereas the smooth muscle is not. If you notice, it's a little bit more irregular in comparison to the skeletal and the cardiac. Okay, that's very important for you to see that, okay?